I need to drink some water. Oh, you're back. It's been like 2 episodes, so, time for another adventure.
No, I'm done with all of these adventures.
What do you mean?
I've been through hell and back. I don't want to do this anymore.
You don't like my adventures?
Yes, I hate your adventures.
Well, too bad. What are you doing?
It's your turn to be in a video game.
Oh, not again. Well, since this is a simulation, I should make the most of it.
You're the imposter.
Imposter? Like Imposter Among Us? One of you guys is the NPC. I'll guess who the NPC is. Well, there's one more over there. You check over there, guys.
Caine, you know I'm not the NPC.
You sound like a zesty version of N.
What are you doing to my wife?
Your wife abstracted, Kinger.
Thanks for the angel fruitcake.
What? She's right there in his hands. See? Oh, Jax, your voice got higher.
It better be good this time.
Jax, today's adventure is puberty.
But there's 4 hot.
What the frick is that?
We might want to get out of here before it spreads to us.
It's a bat.
Puberty. What did I ever do? I'll get rid of her, Caine.
Get out of the circus now.
No, don't contest.
Can I?
Another Jax.
Why is there a bat
Today's
here?
adventure, Caine. What's today's adventure, Caine?
Get rid of that thing.
Adventure, huh?
Okay, now there's 2 of them. Find the fake Jax. That's the adventure. Find the fake Jax. That's the adventure. No Easter Bunny. There is no Tooth Fairy. There is no exit.
There is food.
Angel food cake?
You want some maple syrup?
Pomni, there is no Tooth Fairy, there is no Easter Bunny, and there is no exit, Pomni.
I didn't even say.
I would still like some maple syrup. You mean
Some maple syrup.
You want some maple syrup? Here. Somebody down your throat. Today's adventure is a rap battle. If you lose, you will die and be sent to the cellar.
Very nice. Some of those people fall.
Okay, you 5. Today's adventure, Jax, is to bully this kid into oblivion.
You have to look into my camera and wait for the flash. Look into the camera and wait for the flash.
Wait for the flash.
No, Kinga!
Kinger, don't do that, Kinger.
Hey, Caine.
Yep.
I like my cheese drippy, bro.
What?
Let me take that.
I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna drown him. Okay, let me just have it stick. His feet sticking out. Like, show his feet sticking out. Like this. Perfect. Solder, we did a good job. Whoa! Who's the real N?
Larry, the same. Wait. Me. Because make sure he's realistic. He's not even realistic. Caine. Before we make sure he's come here. We gotta make sure he's dead.
Go make sure he's dead. How?
Just to make sure. Don't worry, I'm shooting him with a gun.
Anyway, back to our current dilemma. Who's the real one?
Rocket launcher.
You look like an apostle.
Yeah, but you're also wearing a dinosaur suit with an end dog.
I saw him before, but I don't know where he is. Yeah, because I'm the plushie. You and me were the same creation. He's the plushie. I'm Larry. I look like the real N.
Epic rap battles of history. Plushy N versus normal N. Draw.
You wanna go? You wanna go?
Is that Cartoon Cat from hit show Cartoon Cat? Sorry.
Hi. I don't think they're from a show.
I'm the real end now. I won. He quitted. I won. So I
And who might you be? Look, clock thing?
I'm Clock.
I'm the
Clock.
It's a clock.
Holy shit! It's fucking M74. I hope my game doesn't crash.
I never die.
Oh yeah!
Being twisted off.
I'm
Your head being twisted off.
Don't worry, NPC. You're valid. I'm the host, so I can't die.
I killed it. By the way, I killed
Zubal's body parts are reattachable, so she can't die. Hit that goofy beat.
I found Zubo game.
I'm going to shoot this significantly more handsome Caine. One barrel for
Hey
each
there,
testicle.
handsome.
Oh my god, Mark.
Okay, you get to keep your testes.
You guys now.
Hey, I'm gonna pop you out of existence.
Caine.
Who do I belong? What Caine do I belong?
Hey, it's personality, you know?
That's a fair point.
That is Pomni versus Pomni versus Pomni! Rapping battle!
We need a Pomni army. We need a Pomni.
Pomni army? Rebecca! Yeah, no it doesn't.
Hey, why do you have a spare head of me?
Well, you have reattachable heads, so just in case yours pops off.
Boom.
No head.
Hey, bro. Okay, I got a question. Why you look like a family?
Caine?
Yeah.
Caine, did your cousin show up? He seems to really like
Sit on the throne. Oh my god.
Who's my please show me.
Yes. Sit on the throne.
I don't really like. I don't know. I'm kind of like scared of that thing.
I'm gonna floss him.
Assemble, you prick.
No.
What type of body parts do my spare head have?
It's in the soup now. Soupy head.
Just look down.
She's out like her body, mate.
Bro.
Zubal, you wanna come in my domain expansion? Domain expansion. Impenetrable fortress.
Domain expansion. The circus grounds.
My head. It's a spare head, but my head pops off. Where am I?
Oh, you'll have to ask our boss about that. He's right here.
Hey, you! Boss guy. Where am I?
You're in the circus.
You only mentioned this.
You will shut
You
the
can't get
fuck.
Oh, you can't. Oh. Bro,
Yes! Why can't I get the head off?
well, how do I put this lightly? Pomni, can you tell him why he can't take the headset off?
Pomni, next adventure we're going on, we're going to the trenches of World War I.
I know one thing that makes people instantly abstract. Listen to this song. To the screen, to the ring, to the... Look, I'm Jax. I'm gonna say a slur. Hey, what are you doing with me? Put me, I want to stick me in my face. Do it.
What? I thought this was you.
Oh, well, I'm me.
You're getting rails from behind.
Well, I like me. The amazing... Hello there, handsome.
Hey. You're me.
Hey, handsome.
Digital circus.
circus. My name is Caine.
Pop that bitch! He's not supposed to be here. He tried to switch characters.
What's your favorite Fortnite map?
So I just punch it over and over. After a while, I got so bored. Used to poop.
Tilted.
Tried to switch characters.
I think the screen crashed. I can't scroll on it.
Hey, I can do this.
Wait, you.
Hi guys, welcome to my Minecraft Let's Play video.
Let's be honest.
Okay, he's the real end. He's the real end.
This kid's not even old enough to own a VR headset.
How is he? You're so good at this. You're so good at this.
It's just called a job.
Oh yeah, I know that, Megan.
Amazing job.
Well, I wanted to be honest.
Called a job. I have a skill issue with my Caine voice. Is my Caine voice bad? I'm not sure.
Weren't you just a ditty? Oh my gosh. It's really.
You do not keep up with that.
Yo,
Don't read caution book.
yeah, we fun.
Caution book.
Hey Caine, how you doing, Caine?
Shut the fuck. I got a Glock in my Rari. 17 shots, no 38.
Savior Jesus Christ, I banished the fight to the fucking circus.
Oh my goodness, Alistair versus Kinger! Or Kinger versus Alistair. Holy epic rap battle. Well, Kinger can't die because he's in the digital circus. Whoa. But Alistair can't die because he has supernatural powers. And what the frick is that, a cat?
Jax versus Skibbity Toilet. Jax versus Skibbity Toilet and the epic battle.
Everybody focus.
Skibbity Toilet.
Okay, I gotta turn Boy's avatar off because like this is making my head ache.
Oh, rap battle! Sorry, battle. So far, Kinger is winning.
Consider this a warning if we ever meet again. Don't ever do what you just did again.
Okay. I won't do it again.
Yippee!